Hello guys, welcome to another Forex trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we are going to apply buying trade in gold versus US dollar through which we will earn good profit. This trade will show you how to capture a good move through price action. Because the market always repeats the price action pattern over and over again, you will see you after applying all the trades. Guys, we have deposited $5,500 in this account, which has to grow. Well, currently we are losing some dollars. If we hold this trade properly, then we can make good profit. Now I will explain to you step by step why we have applied for buying trade. The market has been in an uptrend move for a long time, due to which buying opportunities are constantly being created. You will understand all this better from the trend channel. First of all, I am taking the trend line. We will connect this trend line at higher low points. We will connect all these points properly with the trend line, so that we can get a perfect trend line. This trend line is going to be important for us. We will take another trend line and connect it at higher high points. This trend line is acting as a resistance for us. Whenever the market comes near this trend line, the market can reverse downwards. The market is following this trend channel very well, due to which a perfect uptrend pattern has been created here. Now we will draw a strong support resistance level here. This will let us know the exact position of the market. For this I am using the rectangle tool. The market has created multiple reversal points at this level, due to which multiple support resistance points have been created at a single level. You will see support and resistance points at all these points. All these points are important, through which we will know from which level the market is reversing again and again. Right now the market has broken this level from above, due to which we feel that the market will go up from here. Because whenever the market moves upwards, it will break the strong reversal level and move upwards, which will create opportunities for buying here again and again. Now we have to place the stop loss and target point so that we can exit the trade at the right place. My stop loss will be 45 pip below the strong reversal level and slightly outside the trend channel. Our stop loss is at the right place because the market needs to break the trend line to move down, and the profit target will be double the stop loss, which is 90 pip. The market has not reached this level yet because the market is about to reach a new higher high of this uptrend channel or go above it. Guys, we are currently making a profit of more than $600. This profit will keep increasing because all our levels have been perfect draws. Let me place a stop loss and target point. Guys, all our analysis work is complete. You must have understood the analysis well. I have followed a very simple price action here. I have taken an entry on a strong level breakout here. This decision seems right from my side. Let's see how the market reacts to this setup. Our job is to analyze and place trades. Next job is related to the market. Until either the stop loss or target is hit, we will not close the trade. See you guys after some time. Till then, you can subscribe to the channel.
Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an inch, man, I'm making. I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top of the
Wow, very dangerous.
I want to take on my goal. Push myself to the brink, no limit. Do what it takes to be free, committed.
Very dangerous move. Guys, the market followed our setup very well. All our levels were drawn perfectly, which benefited us very well. Here our target was achieved very quickly. The market was ready to go up even before we applied for our trade. Our entry was at the right time, due to which we hold the trade well. My profit target was at this level, which moved downwards as soon as the market hit it because a strong level breakout has happened here. I will explain it to you by drawing a strong level. Always draw the right level, only then you can place the right trade. Now let us draw a strong level. At this level the market has faced multiple times resistance here. The market has created a strong resistance level. This level is important for us, because whenever the market comes near this level in future, we can easily see a reversal. Right now the market is coming down to retest this level. There is a high percentage chance that the market will go up from here. Guys, we are making very good profit, which is more than $5,000. We had deposited $5,500 in this account, which has now become $11,000. Here we followed this trade properly with our trading rules, due to which we generated good profit. You too can manage the trade in a systematic way. If you always use the same strategy again and again, then you too can become a good trader. If you like this video, then please like and share it. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.